Guys, in today's video I would like to show you how you can share your TikTok videos to your Facebook story or Facebook reel. So you log into your TikTok application, then you go to your profile, the video you have that you would like to share on your story, you can click on it and then click on the three button down below. When you click on it, you click on save here. So the video is saving currently. Once the video is saved, then you head over to your Facebook application, head over to your Facebook app, click on your Facebook app and then click on create story. Then you'll be able to upload the video to your Facebook story here. You can add caption and then you can click on share. And if you like to share it on your reels, you can also click on create a reel and then add the video here to your reel. That's how to go about that. If you find this video helpful, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification button so you can get notified when I post my next video. Thank you.